Hello everyone, in today's video, I will share with you how to hand pollinate tomato flowers in the absence of nature's best pollinator like bees and wind. Why hand pollinate? Tomatoes are self-pollinating, as flowers are equipped with both male and female elements. This means one tomato plant is capable of producing a fruit of its own, without the need of another tomato plant. Inadequate pollination will result to blossom drop, hence no fruit formation will occur. Without our best pollinators like bees, or with their limited visits in your garden, only few flowers will turn into fruit, and with the constant change of climate, such as high temperatures and excessive moisture or humidity, this will lead to poor pollination. To resolve this pollination challenges, here are some methods you can follow to maximize flower fertilization. Pollinating the flowers is best done early in the morning. The first method is to use a battery-operated toothbrush. The vibration of the toothbrush mimics the bee buzz that releases pollen to facilitate pollination. Second method is by tapping the flowers. Gently tapping the flowers, this motion imitates the breeze of wind and pollen will drop to the stigma and will enable pollination. Third method, by shaking the stem, similar to tapping the flowers, shaking the stem also helps movement of flowers to assist pollen drops into the stigma to allow fertilization process. These three methods are beneficial to fruit productivity, especially if growing in a greenhouse or indoor, where absence of natural nature's pollinators. If you find this video useful to your gardening method, please like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will not miss new and upcoming videos. Happy healing, keep going, and keep growing.